Hi, this is Mark Bastarash from Glacier Cove Website Design. I'd like to spend a few minutes today to speak about evolving website technology and especially evolving website styles. Consider the Ford pickup truck. It evolves in style every few years beyond recognition. Websites do the exact same thing. Current year trucks have certainly come a long way. Now consider the dashboards, how much they've evolved. Now you know that website dashboards, how they're built behind the scenes, has evolved far more than automobiles. Let's consider the original Apple website. People probably thought it was incredibly beautiful when it was first put out. Take a look at the Apple website today. It's far different. Key selling points are made immediately. High speed, bandwidth, internet speeds allow for full-size, colorful pictures. Have you seen some of the websites we've been creating over the past few months? High-speed internet allows homepage, full-screen picture slideshows. Take a look at the parallax effect. See how full-screen pictures of your operation scroll at different speeds than the text that's on top, creating a 3D effect. You see how the rooms here are animating as they enter into the screen? Again, the parallax effect. These websites that we've been creating are beautiful. You can have full screen video on the homepage greeting your visitors. Look how beautiful this is and how effective. Your website was created quite a few years ago. It consists of thousands and thousands of lines of source code, making it very difficult for us to maintain or to make changes, but this is how we've been doing it for years. Especially on your side, it's almost impossible to go in and make any changes, which would be incredible if you could. A few months ago, Elementor was introduced as a WordPress plugin, and this has changed website creation entirely. You just edit the page you're on in your website and this interface shows up, and you can drag and drop hundreds of incredibly powerful features onto your website. All created content is mobile friendly and responsive. Now, just how widely used is Elementor as a WordPress plugin?
Today, Elementor reached an astounding 2 million active installs, making it one of the most popular plugins in WordPress.
First impressions really count. Customizing headers used to require loads of code. Not anymore.
It's often that our partners will implement their own content because it's so easy and fun. There's an entire YouTube channel specifically dedicated to Elementor tutorials. Let's take another look at the Tuckamore Lodge website. Isn't that beautiful? Faster internet speeds are allowing for full-size homepage slideshows. The photos are selling the place. Now look how beautiful the mobile website is. Everything just scrolls beautifully and fits in just as beautifully as it does on the desktop or an iPad. See the beautiful effects here and how everything just animates into the screen. Just transition effects are incredible on today's website, especially using this Elementor. Here's another example of the Viking Trail Tourism Association, where we use full screen video to greet visitors on the home page. It's highly effective. We're also doing it with the town of New West Valley here, where this is going to work out beautifully. So ultimately, we are very, very excited about setting up your website on this platform, WordPress with Elementor. Once we set up your website on the new platform, we can provide a multitude of new features at the click of a button. We can drag all these powerful tools right onto your website so easily. And there's new features being developed every month. There are plugins for search engine optimization, Google Maps, create directions with map tools, send emails to your clients, automate your marketing. I think I mentioned search engine optimization. You can set specifics so that every page is optimized perfectly to show up in Google and Bing search rankings. Elementor and WordPress will allow us to create forms that can be submitted, reservation panels, email and marketing tools that can be automated to remind your customers of your existence. We can incorporate beautiful blog layouts right on the home page of your website, where you can easily enter a secured interface and post blog posts every day. They'll appear professionally on the homepage of your website as a blog. With Elementor on WordPress, we could even build WooCommerce, a full-featured e-store, and display products that you can sell or market other people's products through your website. We could easily talk about this also in the future, which is integrated perfectly with Elementor on WordPress. Here's the best part about Elementor. There are numerous companies that are developing themes, which is defining the overall look and presentation, the header, the footer, the vivid tools that are used on slideshows on the home page. These themes, you can just toggle between one theme to another, and with every year new themes will be made to keep up to modern trends, where we just have to convert all your content to a theme, and you'll look like the year 2022, 2023. We just keep up to the trend instead of having to redo this all over again. This is a really good reason to jump onto Elementor, is because there are 2 million installs already. This is the wave of the future. So let's do this. Your website is going to look 100 times better than it does now. The tools and features and your ability to modify your own content are state of the art. It's really a good time to do this. So just click the link below. This will lead you to a contact form. Send us a message. Tell us you're very serious about upgrading your website to this new technology. We'll send you a free proposal within a week. Thank you very much for listening. Have a great day.